Welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and look what I got here. I've got the CF-33. This CF-33 happens to be the one with the extended battery, but we're not going to talk about the actual tablet part. We're going to talk about the keyboards today. Did you know there's two different kinds of keyboards that you can get for your CF-33 tablet? So the first one, obviously the best one in my opinion, is the enhanced premium keyboard, which includes all the ports like serial, USB, HDMI, you know, the SIM port, all that good stuff is in this keyboard. It has the regular mouse with mouse pad, backlit keyboard, the whole enchilada, so to speak. And then they sold, you could have opted for the light keyboard, which basically is a backlit keyboard with a mouse. It still has the connection for your tablet that would fit there, but if you notice, I'm going to show you the difference here, how much thinner it is. If you look there, the light keyboard does not include all the ports that the premium includes. It only includes the one port, which is looks like a printer port. So you could connect a printer there in order to connect a printer. I don't know, but it does work similar to the other one. The only thing you can't do with this one is flip it around to make it into a tab, you know, by keeping turning this around like this. Can't do it with the light keyboard. It sits in there like that as well, but the best keyboard, of course, is the enhanced. Well, that's the two keyboards for the CF-33. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.